Welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan. Pardon me. Anyhow, so today we have Mukhallat At Tabari from Maison Anthony Marmin. So this is the sample I have. I actually had a lot of samples and I think I missed some of them, or I'm not sure what happened. Anyhow, so this is I think the last one I had. I'm going to order a few more inshallah soon. And here we have Mukhallat At Tabari. Okay, so this is the color. It has some green color. Let's see if it has some maybe woody note or maybe some vetiver, something like that. Anyhow, let's find out. Okay, so now I'm going to apply it on my right or left wrist. Let's apply it on my left wrist. So it has a lot of very lovely notes written on its page. Let's find out if they are actually something over here. Ooh, this is really different. It is serious for serious guys. It is for men. I don't think women can pull this off. Yes, it has dry fruits. It has very good punchy oud in it. It has woody notes. It has some soapiness. I think it is coming from patchouli because I think if I have seen that the others which have patchouli in it, they might emit some soapy notes with them. Oh no, I think if it didn't had any soapy notes, I would really loved it. It has some florals, sweet dry fruits. It is kind of dry, soapy, light sweet with some light punch of oudiness, oud, fermented note, and patchouli is there. It says Taif rose, but I am not getting any Taif rose over here. Maybe it has some few drops in the whole composition, but overall I am not liking it just for the sake of that one soapy note. So I really don't like soapy others. What I sniffed in the start, it would be very lovely if it does have just dry fruits, some florals, oud, woody note, and maybe black musk. They have written black musk over here, but I'm not sensing something like that. Maybe it has very limited quantity. Overall, I am not very impressed by it just because of that soapy note. So if you like soapy kind of others, this is very serious for men only. It is not going to be pulled off by women. Because it is kind of a serious kind of attar. So listing again, it has some sweet florals. It has soapy patchouli note. It has maybe some sweetness, some woody note in the background, some oud, fermented kind of oud kind of punch to it. Then I think that is all. Dry fruits, some sweetness, some oud and patchouli. This is what I am detecting. There might be some rose in the background, but that is all. So from my point of view, I am going to rate it like 5 out of 10 for composition because I really don't like soapy others. And performance, I think it is going to perform maybe on the low to medium scale. So I would rate it like 6 out of 10 for performance. So I don't think it is going to perform very well, but maybe like 3 to 4 hours max. So a lot of people, they think that performance is everything. For me, scent profile is everything. It is just like the people who you know, if you ever love someone, you might enjoy even 30 seconds with them. Okay, so this is my story. When I enjoy or love some, oud or some scent profile, even if it stays like 30 seconds or even 1 minute with me, I really love enjoying it. Okay, so this is how you should, treat good attars or naturals, because naturals mostly don't stay very, very long. Okay, so if you have naturals, more naturals in an attar, they are not going to stay like more than 1 or 2 hours. They are going to fade away in 2 hours, because it is kind of a short love story. Anyhow, so this is my review about Mukhallat At Tabari from Maison Anthony Marmin, Mukhallat At Tabari. I hope you have enjoyed this review. I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.